each other. Out of many, one people we are. Give a hand, lay a hand. I've done this for years, and I know what it means to put a smile on someone's face. But let's put a smile on somebody in your way. You know? it wasn't part of this concert, but thank you so much, please. Mr. Ryan, can I have you on stage? Thank you. Banango, family, I'm moving, there is a man all the way from Norway. Mr. Ryan, your heart is so beautiful. This gentleman, a few years ago, he had an email after seeing what I was doing for the kids. Random families, random kids. And he told me twice, I think with that heart we can join hands and be there for these children. And from that moment, we've been doing this from just a one to our community. Right now, we are taking care of thousands of children, and we're looking at sending a home and giving them. We have a huge number of these special children, and our goal is to whatever more to give us stigma. Spice Diana as the voice of the special children of Kayande's heart. We need some wishes, please. Mr. Ron, you want to say one or two?
Yes. I would just say that it is wonderful to have you.
Thank you.
Because I've been to 160 countries, but I've never found a house. I started first of all, telling people, I think Ugandans don't really know what's going on in your business because they are hidden away. And to be aware, so you can do something together. And Uganda has the most beautiful people in the world, so I know they can do something about it. Thank you so much for any help, but these are the real heroes, especially brothers of us. So thank you for all you do, and all your team, and all of you. Thank you so much.
We can change the world together, I believe. There is so much you can do, and we can change the world. Thank you so much. Kariako, my husband, I love you. I love you so much. That's true. Maybe one day you get to see or get to hear about it. This gentleman, just a minute, this gentleman, put it here. Personally, I was part of the team that went down to the slums where we got him. He was such a sad boy. Apparently, he's the happiest, one of the happiest boys, living in a very beautiful environment. Yeah. And he's such a good dancer. So I've just a small vibe, okay? Just a small vibe. And so thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was such an honor. Thank you for every Thank you so much. We are Ladina Special Children Foundation.